I've got a problem. Tiny bits and bobs always vanish into the abyss of my toolbox. So I made these. Modular shelf ends for my French cleat wall. Simple, sturdy, and kinda satisfying. You just cut a plank 3/8 inch ply and slot it in. Long, short, doesn't matter. It's your shelf, your rules. Perfect for those little workshop bottles like glues and thread lock. And don't let the plastic fool you. These can hold 20 kilos without breaking a sweat. Want to print your own? Grab the files and get building. Links in the description.